much for the invitation from Sampe. My name is Julio Guerrero. I live and work in Cambridge, Massachusetts, but this accent is not from Cambridge. I'm originally from Peru, from South America. So I will use two slides. The first one, I will tell you a bit about what I do. So our company, which is in Cambridge, focuses on three things only: research and development, business development, and strategy. And in the area of research and development, what we do is we complement the R&D teams inside the companies of our clients. And I will give two examples so you understand how we work. For example, there is oh, by the way, before that, I will tell you a bit more about what I've done before working in this company. I worked for Schlumberger, which is the largest oil exploration company. I worked 5 years in Houston designing robots that crawl inside horizontal wells, have to work at 500 Fahrenheit, 30,000 psi, which is a very harsh environment and requires a lot of not only mechanical engineering, but a lot of material science to make them work. After that, I worked for a defense company. Its name is Draper, that does all the guidance and navigation for some of the things that we can shoot from the submarines. But I was working on how to use some of that expertise for the energy and the biomedical industry. And then I work as a consultant for a company called Exponent that has about 600 PhDs, works in Asia, Europe, United States. So now I run my own team. So on research and development, I will give you two examples. For example, there is a company in Houston, an oil and gas, that wanted to have more use of robotics and automation in order to have more efficient and smarter operations in the field. So we help them with that. One of the largest biomedical companies in the country is our client. We also develop for them a lot of technology. And what we do is we usually integrate commercial off-the-shelf technologies or components. We do research, but we usually integrate things that have already proven to work in different industries. Energy, automation, biomedical, AI, IoT, those are areas in which we work, and these are some of the parts of the work where we have business. So the second and last slide. When I was talking with Uday a few weeks ago, there was a word that he emphasized and caught my attention a lot, which is sustainable. How we could put all these science and technology to support sustainable business opportunities. So in this tetrahedron, I am putting fuel cells, electrolyzers, which are two of the areas in which we have worked the most with one of our clients in the past year and a half. Solar and wind, which, as you know, in order to get green hydrogen, you need to get first green electricity, right? And then on the top of this tetrahedron, we have put AI, IoT. DA is supposed to mean data analytics, but I prefer to call it actionable data analytics and advanced manufacturing. We have found in our consulting practice that all of this R&D is very attractive for several of our clients, but at the end, what they care a lot about is how they use all this know-how in order to produce systems, to produce goods, services. We have found in all our projects that using AI, again, IoT, and data analytics at the end is the key enabler for our clients to be able to use in a very efficient way the technology that we find is useful for them. So I will leave it there, and then we will address address any questions that you may have.